Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. All right, y'all, the new catalog is live now. So I can show you the inside. I'm just going to show you where these dies are. This is quick and easy day, so these are definitely quick and easy and super adorable because you have so many choices and so many different ways to do these. This is called the Pretty Pillow Box dies, and it is on page 9. And you may miss these, so try not to miss it because, oh my goodness, if you need quick and easy, and these are great party favors, great for baby showers, wedding showers. And they're so cute because look at the size of these. They're so stinking cute. So this is what they are right here. They're on page 9, and it is with the gingerbread suite. And it does come with the gingerbread suite if you get the whole suite. But you can order these individually as well. So this is a keeper for sure. I love little pillow boxes, and this one is super cute. So these are the ones that I made, and I just wanted to give you some ideas for it because there's so many ways you can create these. I'm going to show you the die set right here. And these, before I go through that, these are all the dies. This is the die itself for the box, and then you have one for sentiments, which I used on this one right here. Look how cute that is. And then you have a little tag, which I used on this one. It says ho ho ho. These little poinsettias I used on here. I also used this little one because it cuts this little design in the front on this little purse that I made. And then let's see, I used this one. I'm going to use this one today for the sentiment. And then this is the one I made with, I love this designer series paper. I love them all this year. There's so many good ones. But this one is called the Whimsy and Wonder. And I showed this before. Isn't that gorgeous paper? It has a little bit of foiling on it. So it's really, really beautiful. And so what I did was I cut the little tag and I stamped the joy, which the joy I stamped is from the Bright Baubles, which I love this. Stay tuned because I got a really cute project coming with this. So I used that joy right there. And then I just cut out some little holly leaves, and then I punched out the little berries with the same designer series paper, only the solid pink one that has the snowflakes on it. So it's this one right here. So that's how I did that one. And this one just has a little plain front. I didn't do anything with that. I did cut the holes, and that's what this one did. It cut holes for the ribbon. So when you do that, I'm going to undo it so you can see what I did here. So it cuts these little holes because I want to show you how many things you can do with this. So I just cut the front normally, and then I cut these holes, and you do have to punch your own holes on this side. So just mark them. When you close this, just mark them and punch your holes for that. So that's how I did that one. Then I made this one into a little purse. I'm just going to set this one aside here. I'll tie a bow while I'm talking. And that one is just using that one die that I showed you earlier. Let me go ahead and just tie this real quick. Okay, we got that one all tied up. And this is the little purse I was talking about that I used this die right here for. It just gives it a little bit of a design here. So cute. And I cut out one of the poinsettias, put it on there. This one has Velcro on it, so I used the little Velcro dots. I put them on with some brads, the little handles, so you can see in the inside here. You can also add a piece of cardstock if you want in here, but I don't think it's necessary because you're going to fill it with candy or something good. Even a little gift would be so cute, a necklace or a bracelet, something like that. So that's the little purse. And then this one is almost my favorite. I recut the top part. So when I ran it through, a full piece like here with the designer series paper. Then I just cut this top part where that little line is, just cut it up to there, and my basic white, and then I use that piece to line the inside here. So you get that little white underneath the design here. And then I used the magnetic closures for this. These are the basic gray magnetic closures. And personally, I love these better because look how easy they open and close. And then I stamped the Happy Holidays from the frosted gingerbread on there. And I cut it with this little one here that goes with that. All right, now this one today, I mean, there's so much that you can do with this. This one today, I'm going to use another piece of designer series paper out of this one right here. And this is the Peaceful Prince. This is what I used for this snowflake. This is a free choice during celebration. So celebration is also going on. So you can order this designer series paper during celebration. It's free. When you spend $50, you can choose this. I love this paper. It's so pretty. So we're using the stripes this time. I did cut out a basic white. You do need a piece that's like 5 by 6. So you can use a 6 by 6 sheet to cut out this. And then I also used the gingerbread dies, which are these dies right here, and I made a couple little candies, peppermints here. So I'm going to use these, I think, on this box. We'll see how it works because I didn't plan ahead. And then this is one that I stamped. So you have a choice. I actually like these better. You do have to cut out these centers and the white, basic white, to get those and then just glue it on. But I like the dimension that they have. All right, so that's what we're using for today's. And the sentiment that I'm using is from the frosted gingerbread as well, which you have to have this sweet, y'all. And this is wishing you a Merry Christmas. And hopefully it is going to fit on this little piece right here. I think it will. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, and I think that's everything except, what did I not tell you? This ribbon right here. And this one is our pool party, and it's the pool party share that I used on that. And then I used the crinkled seam binding for the purse to put on the little tag. All right, I think that is everything, y'all. I'm going to show you how quick and easy these are. Super fun to do. And you know I can't stay away from Christmas, so that's why another Christmas project. And the holiday catalog is live now, so I wanted to share this first thing because I love this little die set. I'm going to grab the cut and emboss. And we are going to cut this. So it fits perfectly on 6 inches by 5. And we're going to run that through. It's as easy as that. That's why I said it would make great party favors. Put them on your table for your guests. Fill them with some mints or something like that. Be super cute. We're leaving this one plain on the top here. Everything is scored as well on this. So you don't even have to guess where to score or anything. Everything is done for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to just use my bone folder here to fold over the parts here. And then I do the sides with my fingers because they are curved. So I'm just going to do it like this. Make sure your corners are really good. So start at your corner and just go around. I said, everything's scored for you. These are so stinking adorable. Oh my gosh, I love these little boxes. They're a perfect size. All right, now I'm going to use some adhesive, and we are going to put some on this side. And you're just putting it in that curved area. And these you have to just bring up and adhere them. And then I just use my fingers to make the little points really nice and sharp on the edges. That's why I said your corners are important on these. And then just use your fingers. Now, because it's wet glue, you know, I have to hold it here for just a minute. All right. There we go. Now our box is done. Pretty much, you just have to dress it up. Let's see. Let me see if these fit in there. I have these little Bueno. I'm going to put one in there because it'll hold the box for me while I work on it. All right, I am going to go ahead and use the magnetic dots here. These are basic gray. If you need to look these up, just put it in Google because I can't remember the company I bought them for. They used to sell them on Amazon, but I haven't seen them in a long time. So look them up and they'll point you in the direction of these. I think I bought like 3 packages last time I bought them. And it's easy because you just stick your other magnet there, press it here. I just give it a little press, lift it, and then you can press this down. That Bueno fits in here just perfectly. So look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable, y'all. They're small. They're actually 3.5 inches by 2.25 inches. Just perfect for a little party favor or something like that. Let's stamp with Memento Black. I'm going to use the Memento Black instead of the Real Red. I was thinking of using Real Red, but we're going to put our little candy cane pieces on it. Not candy cane, but candies, these little candies right here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to just put this on the front here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use some dimensionals for this to hold one on the top and one on the bottom. I think that's going to work good. Because this is curved, so it will give me that space. Just like, yeah, that works perfectly. Put a dimensional on each end, it works perfect. And then I thought I might do, let's see if this big one's too big. Let's see. I was thinking a 2 on one side and then the big one on the other. But I think I'm just going to do it like that because I think this is a little bit too big for that. So we are going to just add these. Do one here. If you make 3 small ones, I think 3 small ones would work really good on here. Just like that. And look at, you're done. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute little box. But they're so cute and it would be super cute on a table. I just got thinking that was going to be a perfect Christmas table thing. And even this one is so cute for that. With the little, and they'll keep it because it's so darn cute. So this is my hostess code for August. I'm doing a free gift with purchase. You have to make a $50 purchase and you will be getting some holiday gems in the mail from me. You have to use the hostess code on anything under $150. It's over $150, then you just get free hostess dollars from Stamping Up, so you don't have to use the hostess code. But if you want the free gems, be sure to use the hostess code. It's on my blog every week. I also post it on my Facebook page, and I am going to start posting it in the description of these videos. All right, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day. And guess what? I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Bye-bye.